chicken which is washed properly. Add an egg and separate the yolks and whites. Just add the whites in it. Add some vinegar, some soya sauce, 1/8 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and mix it together. Add some salt, some pepper, add these vegetables which are julienne cut in the chicken. By the way, there is oil under it and the chicken is frying and you have to saute the vegetables with it. Add some pepper as required. Add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Some vinegar. Add the noodles. Don't break the noodles while you are mixing it, just mix it like professionally. Mix until all the ingredients are combined together and now you can serve it.